to the all seafood review I see in the Amazon about PressurePro. First of all, people that complain about the seal, they complain about this one, the seal, right? But let me tell you something. Every time you use the pressure cooker, PressurePro, every time you use PressurePro, you must to clean it. You must to clean it. Clean even this one and the valve. They have valve over here. They have valve over here. You have to clean it, guys. I use it a lot. This one, I use it a lot. The seal need to clean. This one you need to clean and become dry. This one. See how it's easy? If you don't know how you cook, don't buy PressurePro. You have to read. And don't complain, no part. No need to part. You have to clean it every time so it not become damaged. Thank you.